A pest control specialist shared this trick with me. Cockroaches will no longer be a problem in your home. Prepare a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This acts as bait and attracts them. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda disrupts their internal functions and causes them to stop returning to that area. Add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. It works as a binder, combining the ingredients into a uniform mixture so the sugar and baking soda do not separate. This also gives the mixture the right consistency. Add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Its sharp, spicy scent is irritating and effectively repels cockroaches. Then add half a teaspoon of granulated garlic. Its strong smell disorients cockroaches and discourages them from staying in that area. Finally, add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. This oil is the most effective against cockroaches. It strengthens the scent and intensifies the repellent effect. Mix everything thoroughly. Prepare a shallow dish and spread a small amount of the mixture inside. Place it in areas where cockroaches appear most often near the refrigerator, by doors, and in kitchen corners. It also works well near trash bins. This is a simple home method that helps reduce the presence of cockroaches without using expensive chemicals or calling in professionals. When I discovered this method, there are no more flies, ants, or cockroaches in my house. I got rid of them effectively and without harmful chemicals. Pour 300 milliliters of water into a frying pan. Prepare 2 tablespoons of cloves. They must be whole. Their use in repelling pests is brilliant. Throw them into the water and heat the whole thing. A decoction should be formed. When the water changes color and a pleasant scent begins to pervade the house, we move on to the next step. Sprinkle baking soda onto the pan. 2 tablespoons are enough. It will react with the decoction and start fizzing. Add small amounts so that the substance does not overflow from the pan. Stir until it disappears. Let us know in the comments from which location you are watching us. I'm sure this one mixture will help you get rid of pests from your home once and for all. Pour it into a spray bottle. I used a funnel for this. Put a few bay leaves into the bottle. Their intense smell repels pests. Just insert them into the previously prepared mixture to enhance its effectiveness. Such a spray can last up to 2 months. Since I've been living in the countryside, I always have it on hand. I was fed up with pests that had infested my house. It turned out that just by spraying this spray on the front door, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills, insects avoid the house like the plague. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in the kitchen for several months. This natural recipe is safe for pets and children. Just a few drops, and you'll get rid of multiple problems. Prepare a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It works as an excellent attractant. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which has neutralizing and expanding properties. Next, pour in some vinegar, well known for its cleaning and repelling effects. Finally, add dish soap to help distribute the mixture more effectively. Stir everything vigorously. See a syringe to apply the solution into window frames, especially in small gaps where unwanted guests might enter. Apply it around balcony windows as well to prevent cockroaches from getting inside. This natural method not only keeps insects away, but also works as a great drain cleaner. Just apply it and rinse with water. It's fast, effective, and chemical-free. One simple trick, multiple solutions in one. I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. If you have snails in your garden, you can get rid of them. Spray this all over the garden, and the snails will disappear. This natural mixture will repel these pests. Additionally, it eliminates aphids, caterpillars, and deters ants. If you have a garden, you are surely familiar with these pests. Snails can destroy crops, as they enjoy cultivated vegetables and fruits. You probably know that you can protect your crops with methods like using ash. Sprinkling ash around plants creates a barrier that stops snails. Another method is using eggshells. A sufficient layer of eggshells spread in the garden will also deter these pests, though you need a lot of them. Remember that coffee grounds can also be used in the garden like ash and eggshells. But today, I will show you a mixture made from them. Add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee or coffee grounds to 300 milliliters of warm water. Caffeine repels snails and other pests. Next, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic is rich in sulfur and allicin, which snails and many other pests dislike. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of mint, either fresh or dried. The essential oils in mint are excellent for repelling ants and snails. Mix everything and leave it for a few hours. Then strain it through gauze or a coffee filter. Dilute with about 3 liters of water. Use this mixture to spray the borders of the garden, paths, plants, and vegetables. Use it regularly, and you'll see that snails won't be as eager to visit your garden. Your dogs and cats will never pee in the wrong place again. Use this trick every day. You'll save a ton of money. Time is crucial. Preparing this spray will only take a moment. You'll save a lot of time in training your pets not to pee in the wrong places. When they smell this scent, they won't want to use those spots anymore. My neighbor struggled with her dog for a long time. After this trick, her problems with peeing in the wrong places disappeared. You only need a few ingredients for this, which you surely have at home. To start, prepare a measuring cup and a jug. Pour 50 milliliters of vinegar into the measuring cup. Pour it into the jug. Then pour 50 milliliters of water into the measuring cup. Pour it into the jug as well. Next, pour 3 tablespoons of any concentrated cleaning liquid. Mix everything well in the jug. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid and stir. Now prepare a lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze it into the jug. Mix everything well. Your liquid is ready. Prepare a clean spray bottle. Pour the mixture into it. This way, you'll be able to use it later as well. Applying the spray will be much easier and more convenient. Look how nice it looks. You can now use our mixture. Spray it preferably on all carpets, also on the places where pets like to pee. You'll never have a problem with stains from your pet's pee again.